Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use adjustable locking pliers. This will be a Vise Grips tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now these are adjustable locking pliers, and I actually was raised calling these Vise Grips. So I'm not sure if that's the official name for the tool or not, but that's what I was taught to call them, so I figured that I would include it in the video as well. But I believe that they are officially called adjustable locking pliers, and they're really easy to use. If you take a look right here, you have this turnable knob, okay? Now this turnable piece right here that you can turn will adjust the level of opening of the plier. So if I tighten it up, I'm turning it clockwise, okay, I'm turning it clockwise, as you can see right there, clockwise. It is closing the gap, okay? It's making it smaller. If I turn it counterclockwise, it's gonna open up the gap, okay? When you have your desired size, if you take both of these handles and you squeeze them together, it will lock in place onto something. So these little teeth right here will lock in place onto an object that you're trying to grasp. Whenever you want to release it, you press this lever in and you can sort of pull this part down. So you press this lever in like that and you can pull that part down. I did bring another little prop that I can sort of grip onto. So let's see, I'm gonna try, we'll loosen it up. We'll make it too loose. I believe it's gonna be too loose if I do this. So we're gonna try and grip onto this. So if I close it, you can see that it's not tight enough, right? So we're gonna open it up again and we're gonna tighten it up a couple turns. We're gonna try again. We're gonna try and grip this. It's on there, but it's still not fully tight. Open it up, couple more turns. We're gonna try and grip it one more time. There we go. So now as you can see, it is gripped onto there, okay? It's locked onto it. That's why they're adjustable, because you can adjust them, adjustable locking pliers, okay? Now, whenever you want to release it, like I said, all you gotta do is you push this little lever in towards this handle right here and you sort of pull them apart. So I'm pressing this in like that and I'm pulling them apart. And that's how you unlock it. They're really easy to use and they are extremely useful when you want to grip onto something and turn it. Yeah, so like I said, you can adjust them using this lever over here. You can lock them onto something and then you can unlock them like that. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.